We don't have to play dominoes to appreciate the domino effect. But what about that chain reaction in criminal law? It may not be intuitive, but the 1960 murder case of United States versus Hamilton illustrates the importance of causal connections when death is the last domino to fall. On the afternoon or evening of December 2nd of 1959, John Slye and Benjamin Hamilton were among several men gathered in a D.C. pool room. The group drank, chatted, and played pool until a heated argument developed between Slye and Hamilton. When it started looking like a fight might ensue, the two were asked to leave. Slye and Hamilton then engaged in a fight outside. After Hamilton knocked Slye down, he jumped on Slye's face in a fit of rage and kicked him in the head. Slye was later taken to the hospital. He arrived at 11:30 p.m. in shock, in a semi-comatose state, and with a bleeding face. Because he was also violent when he got to the hospital, the staff put restraint cuffs on his wrists. They gave him a blood transfusion, cleaned his airways, and intubated him to maintain the breathing process. He was under constant surveillance. Later that night, Slye's bedding and clothes needed a change. The staff took off his cuffs as was necessary for the change and left them off afterward because he was no longer violent. He then had a convulsion at 6:30 in the morning, after which he immediately pulled out his breathing tubes. He died at 7:30. The cause of death was determined to be asphyxiation. Hamilton was charged with homicide in D.C. District Court.